Hey guys, this is the girl Anti-Fabulous. Welcome to my channel. I want you guys to like, comment and subscribe. Here one of my people, guess where me there? Me in a KFC. Me there go check somebody downtown. But big disappointment, so me not bother go nowhere. So me just say no what, me eat nothing from morning, 1 minute to 4. So I say no, I'm going to come just go on the mall and go get something to eat there, man. So now I come in a KFC. Remember the last time I come in here, I bought it out. That about last year. I bought it out. I come back in here again to buy nothing. When I come here, I just go to Burger King to buy a burger. So I say no, I'm come in here. I still come in here like that big that mighty school picnic in here. School picnic like, wow, in here people. Let me show you. See the beer schoolers in here to pussy class. Today. We don't know where the schoolers them get money from to come buy KFC. We're so bloody expensive. Watch them. Let me go look to see if my number call ya. Let me go look. Look at that. Look at that line. Flipping schoolers like, whoa, and no money bad so. Yes guys, that is it. Data code. The money, the real blood thief money around here. Chapo. Top up the screen, top up the road, top up the screen, top up the screen. Send a Rosalie. So blood, this is how we are going for water going. For the ends, all our vibes.
People, let me tell the people, come up with me, people, more muckler ginger beer. One quote bag, and I think of Brawley.
Right there, so.
And I think of. Some man too lazy for switch dog.
Do that one again, do that one again.
So.
Hey guys, it's a girl Anti-Fabulous. Morning, one and all, good morning. Guess what, I'm there half 3 people. And my outside, me can't take out my phone because out there busy. The people them thief like, wow, and me no want to grab my good phone. So here me come in a ILO supermarket because the mission when me did for company yesterday when me say it was a little disappointment, so I never come on it, so I come back on it today. So now me in a ILO supermarket. You know the girl already. Where she can't live without, right? Right there so. So anyway, I come in here to buy my water. I see one girl in here at work. She in a one red top mark. What am I mark on it? I love, yeah, mark I love on it. So I turn to her and say, excuse me, because I see some water on the shelf. So you know hot water that. So I say, excuse me, you don't have any cold water in here. Instead she said, yes or no, sure. Bring up shoulder and say I bring up shoulder and I come so with her hand. So I say, what that's supposed to mean? I say, you're working here. And I ask you a question and it's not like me being rude. No. I can be rude, but I'm rude to people when they're rude to me. Or when they give me attitude. Yeah. So me say, when I have the cold water, she give me shoulder. So me say, oh you mean you don't know you give me shoulder and you work in here? She still give me the shoulder already. So me just say, what's the point working in here then? If people are gonna ask a question and you don't know. So I walk and come and search and see fridge there. Find the fridge, see the water there, and I pick up water. So on the girl I go to the cashier now and pay for her water. I don't want nothing else in here for drink but water. So see there. And this is what I call live without. Who know, who don't. Who get it, and who don't. Can't live without my water. Right there, so yeah. And you sell some nice good things still, you know. Yeah, see there big supermarket. See there, when we go on a tour in here look. See there. See there in a big place. Yeah, so they cook food in your caca fat. See the cook food on shelf, guys. Look. You know me now buy none of this. Buy that. Right there. Now I want that to eat, no time. And saltfish the biggie. So yeah. And that I go and pan water go on with in here. Me now stay in here long because me a walk and you have one man in a one plaid shirt. Every turn me turn to the man and look. If she catching there, she go global. Maybe she see one nice foreign man and the man want to watch her one here. Watch this. Maybe she see one little foreign man see her upon it and say she look nice. And message me, DM me. And ask if him can get her contact that one here watch me out. I don't know if she walk on her watch me. Every time me see her, but she lady. Hello darling, you cashing? So you want park up and come in here? Are you gonna act like that? Yes guys. The girl back in the supermarket again. Portmore Mall, Shoppers Fair. I should have done this long time, you know. But yeah, but the music hit me. So I said no, I take out my phone and video just a little clip. But yeah, me I buy. This is the supermarket when we did in our day. I went out now hear the whole heap of nice music them. When we did get copyright for in them there. See the things them there. Some of that juice section. See there. Good shoppers fair. Even though them thief your fart. But yeah, see juice them there. Take 2 juice plum now. So you're not going to take my juice plum then. Eh? No drink coffee, juice plum juice. Come on, wait them there. That's a code. I want pumpkin. Show me pepper, you know eat pepper. Take up 2 more tissue. Last time me come buy 2 of them. Them full, them good. Wipes. Me need 1 wipes, you know. One wipes. Me come down and me never carry no wipes. Blood clot musk, guys, so pampers. Good the price. $2,615. So how much in it? Yes guys, see the 3 pampers in there. $2,615. Bloody hell, blind me. Plus VAT. I buy no wipes. Me have my panty shield, me use my panty shield, them simple as. Fuck the wipes. Guys, look. The amount of things I'm come buy.
The box.
No. No. After them have no box. Yes guys, look how much. Yeah, but here the price and I think them not done yet, you know. Them not done yet, see them there? Waiting here the price, guys. You know how long I drink eggnog? I used to love eggnog when I go to school. $13,000. On a year, how much money? 13,000 odd. The guy helped me pack them up. So a 2 box ragged. See the water and the juice them the right way, so.
I run for 2 flasks.
See there?
Yeah,
fuck up with the money, rich fuck
run for 2
up.
flasks around tomorrow.
Right there, so.
I find it good.
Tart no, it's a tape. Yeah, it's a tape.
Liam fuck up on a rape.
Right there, so that's a code.
So you feel, and show off and go fit and feel hype. Now go sweet. No, more crowd out here can fit.
Right there, so.
The real man them were there for laugh. No, they.
Do this
and beat it. Matt, you ready?
Don't look for the money, you know, Canadian.
No, boy, T-boy.
And you see it?
Do this and beat it. Blood clot. 100.
See there?
And feel like a 20s alone and way.
You have 20s.
Yeah,
See
man.
there?
Right
You have 100s.
Right
And
now.
you have 50.
Right now. Everything there.
Chocolate, good there, man. Look at that. Fucking hell,
The
man.
race is on.
Fuck do
This a fi running, you know. A race is a go on, you know.
That's
Right
it. We know
now.
all Jamaican from Canadian.
Right now.
Fuck do no. Rich badness.
That.
Right now.
And legal here. Do this and beat it. Come in and earning. Now, how's
Right
it
now.
going?
You see it when there.
Come in.
What you want? About that. Zoom it out. Sit there. Spread it out.
Spread it out.
Everything I hear one.
Right now.
Yeah.
Right now. Spread it out.
Everything I hear.
Spread it out.
Yeah, spread it out.
Yeah, 1,000. Them there.
I feel like my friend them thing
Get the low.
Beijing, China.
When I go run,
Yeah, man, I'm from
You ready?
see the man them here.
Yeah, build up my stuff.
Right
Them
now.
a go run, look.
Ready?
You see where the rum do? On the look. Milk and rum. The boom. See it there? This is my one still. That are mine's.
You have 180,000 in a bag. Put it on the boat too. You have 180,000 last night.
A big sitting here, so.
180,000 on the boat.
The man, my video up there, so man.
I feel like a joke, you know.
My video, man. See the man.
See it there?
ready?
Winners.
No, me a roll on, brother.
Winners.
Winners, brother. Man and cap.
Right there, sir.
Any man win, I eat the trophy collection. Collect.
Guys, you hear that?
You're not ready, man. You're not ready.
What do you now go run, man? Come back the money for then.
You're not ready.
He ready, but he want bill him spliff, so make him bill him spliff. Guys, you see what I go on? Them thing turn up. But them not bad to run, man. See them a pack up at them money.
Bumbo clock no.
Person the man say can't win him.
Clock no. Man, I go to a gym bug, you know.
Yeah, man, you want your 5 times.
Man, I take off him shoes, he ready for go run. Not clean.
Me draw him out, how you mean, me done? Nike, let's draw them out.
2 flash, man.
You not be done to this, I'm not money, I bet you. Right. Yes, me.
Bumbo clock, Nike socks, you can't lose. Can't lose.
Can you do that, socks? Make sure I'm making that. Then what we trying to put that?
Put out one each. Put out one each.
You get a pussy boss. You get too much trouble.
America suck them, man.
Yeah, I put on this first.
No, I believe I can. Yo, put on the China.
No, man, I bust a pussy.
Yo, put on the China, man.
I bust a pussy.
Oh, the blood clean this.
Everybody feel first person.
How would I young guy?
Why
are you feel
Why are the free race tomorrow now? Why never stick to the bet see?
I'm back here, I'm back out now.
Me not back. Life turn up on me 50 US, brother.
Man ready for run.
Give me bossy, yeah. Right now, trouble.
Bust off boy face.
Yes. This is it. Time is now.
What's that?
I'm here set it.
Don't fuck around.
Start those S2s, man.
So you have a close.
Now, man, me zoom it in. Me zoom in. Oh.
Ready. On your mark.
Brother, stop fuck around, man.
Brother, on your mark. Set.
Guys, them are run.
Go.
No.
Stop, alright, man, to the man, stop.
No, but brother, where man a stop for?
Oh, okay, alright, go on.
Guys. No. No, this is serious.
Let's do it.
So, person, where you go?
Ready. Yeah. Sure.
So, we are a socks person running and no shoes.
On your mark.
Get set.
Go. Ah. Good.
What's that?
Me first start the first one.
Yeah.
I missed up.
You remember fuck up me?
I'm me first start, I could have beat you. I realize I'm a false start, I'm a start.
Jump, ready now, son.
Yeah, talk with your talk now. You're a person boy, yeah?
Yeah, and
Yeah?
I ran.
Come the person, talk the thing,
I'm
man.
72-year-old.
72-year-old, yeah?
I'm know my age.
And
Yeah. I just false start, could have beat him and I stopped.
Yes.
And he was acting up like he was there. I could have run with him. I stopped. I gave him back another chance. And all the time I was running my crap.
see, socks in my van.
I'm from Canada.
And it's from Canada.
Yeah. So, what I want to say to the people in England and all over the world,
And big up your Canada.
Diamond, the next running I will be, I will be at Diamond League.
Right there, so.
Yeah.
That's a code.
Look out for me at Diamond League. And this is my coach. Yeah.
One fuck up, never two.
Yeah, so. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. And we'll meet at Diamond League.
Right there. Guys, no, me not feel good enough. I don't know what I'm sick about. Yo, I can't festive. It's festive, bad. I swear. No, sir. Hey guys, good morning. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Anyway, your girl is here today. Me have time for go. Me get up, see, me not even wash my face. Me just run come in a camera. But anyway, guys, me a wash. Cause me not like dirty clothes, so me a wash and me a cook at the same time. Me a steam some fish. Or me a do it with coconut and pumpkin and so. Yeah, and me a steam some rice. The last time when me did do it with hard food, so now me a do it with rice. Me almost done cook still. But me just remember and I say me come check in for my people them, you see me? Yeah, so I'm checking in. So here I want to big up on a nice clean self. Let me show you what I do so far. See? Close there. Wash already. Me have to go upstairs up there so. Go hang them out. Sun hot. So the rest are in a machine. Me I go take out here now. And then something for eat. Me don't know if me I go town. Because me this short thing. Me did think me did done with it, but yesterday when me I come, the policeman called me and say me need to come some mistake wrong, some figures money, and to the receipt when me give him, some part of the money dey on the system and some part not dey on it. So him say me have to come back, make him sort out that and give me back a different receipt. So me tell him say me no know when me I go come. So maybe me go today, maybe me don't go nowhere. Me just stay in my house and kick back and relax. But yeah, make me show you my food out. Make me show you what I want. The rice there. Rice a bubble. That. And see my fish there. That a go on there so. So that a go on for what a go on. Yes. Hey guys, this is the girl and the fabulous. What's up, my nice clean people? Guess what? Me there at town. I come buy something for my goddaughter. Yes, downtown, down at Prince Street. So me in the wholesale. Me I buy some shimmies for my baby. Yeah, come tell Renee now, I'm my baby now. Yeah, see them in the wholesale, let me show you. See them? In the wholesale, where them sell baby things in there, and them sell household things. Nice, good things them selling there, Yeah. See it there. But see the shimmies where me I buy. See them here? That. any Jamaicans who have them baby and don't have none of them shimmies, yeah, it's not a Jamaican baby. That you hear that? And see the next one, yeah. This is the long sleeve one with a little teddy bear on it. Yeah, so me I buy that tall sleeve one and me I buy short sleeve one for my baby. Them say different baby things in there, you know. But I got really one. She means every day she kill me. Anytime she hears me going to town. Auntie Pat, remember the baby she means. See, them have baby things in here. Remember the baby she means, Auntie Pat. Remember, don't come back to England unless you carry the baby things them. Like me I work with girl, me not for come back. So anyway, see them there? Nice pretty color. You know Renee, she love pink, right? So this is the long sleeve one. See them by the red, by the yellow in it. Yellow look nice as well. Yeah, then come back again. See there, by the red in it. See there. Me no business she want love the color, you know. She buy too much pink, so me I put in different color in it. And see the green there. And as I said, these ones are long sleeve. Me do want to buy 1 dozen, but me can't buy dozen because we are going to get the dozen in the same color. And it don't make no sense. So yeah, and see, this is the short sleeve one. Me get her 2 red. Because having baby and I buy shimmies, red is a must. So I buy it in a short sleeve. See it there? As what you call it, sleeveless like Marina. So I buy it in a that red. I buy it in a the purple. Yeah. And I buy it in the orange. Look how the orange pretty and nice. They obsessed with orange, you know. Yeah, so I buy that. So instead of I buy 1 dozen of the same, I just say no one, me buy 7. And I buy them shampoo and condition for my hair. $480 for the pair. It don't bad at all. Auntie Sharon, they give me some for wash my hair. I mean, now like make my hair soft and smooth. So I say, since I so be the key, I go buy for myself. So I buy for myself. So I make sure I buy 2. So if I go up and Tristan like it, Tristan can use it. She don't want to use it, keep it. Me myself will use it. Me no use anything in my ear. Tristan don't. Tristan have to watch the things them, read up on it. And also Tristan no ram for read up and know we good from we bad. But me just buy. So guys, I'm on the move now. So catch you guys later. So what is
Oh, what's that family? Never to
straight there?
Yeah guys, big up down and sound. Yeah. One assembly. One assembly. Yeah, down and sound. One assembly. Bad bitch. Yeah, Patricia. We'll get back Patricia good ass. Yeah, guys. Yeah, downtown. Yeah. Downtown, guys.
People, Sasha, Mag food in and such like one. Yeah, I see but I come out still. I come look for Vanessa, even though I not do not hear. But yeah, see there? She dey on phone and chat, watch her. But yeah, and that's a one for what I want. Guys, watch her, shout Mag phone. 1 Sasha, never 2.
We never know when I get back Patricia. We got family.
Right there, so.
One right side. One bump. Right shoe. We got the bad bitches there. One belly bad girls there. One belly bad bitch. One belly bad bitch. One belly dance. One side. One belly Shabbat. Yeah. About the week on National Day.
Hold on there, you're the one for the... Guys, you're the one for the surround, so we are... What you say,
Right there, shot. One Patricia. Nothing in love with you again. Love with such a eyelash. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Fish.
No. Hey, don't run for them people, I know. Them festive bad. May I tell you, I will tell you. People, me still sick enough. People, me still sick enough. Me a come on a bit, me not lie. Yesterday, me knock right up. Me sleep all day yesterday, people. Me don't touch road. Me wake up in the morning, me cook the fish. Me steam fish and rice. I used to when time I done cook, I couldn't wait to come out of the kitchen. I run going to the bed go sleep and then I go drop back asleep. And wake up after 2. And from I wake up after 2, I get something to eat. And then I go back go sleep. And this morning I wake up. Right to my body shut down for me. Yeah. It's tired man and I don't feel good. No. And my foot them swell up for me. Them jaw down now still. And I said no.
Big up the baby. Holy Palom. Yeah. Renee, big up yourself. When you come to Jamaica, I need to see you. When you come to Jamaica, I need to see you and the baby. Yeah.
Renee, baby is my baby. I'm gonna ask. If you don't believe me, ask God. I'm my baby that.
Renee will love your auntie, man.
Cherry chocolate, ice cream, and vanilla. I don't know why, but I love vanilla ice cream. But yes, guys, me there buzzer. Yes, guys, me come on my original spot where me always buy my chicken. Yes, so me I buy jerk chicken. See, them not lie, no, them chicken taste nice. So this is our breast. Alright, that. One more, yeah? One more breast. I'm look at charge them and I'm treat them, man. But now, like guys, them chicken taste good. Anytime I come to Jamaica, I always just come buy my chicken. Normally, I got a B-side, so. But yeah, so. When I did the Airbnb I stay, I just buy. See him there. No, in a uniform though, I like that. Proper thing, right to the name badge. That name they come on, you see Richard. So the thing turn up and have name badge. I like that. Him and me look a friend still, you know. My spirit take that one, yeah. See there, 2 of them, yeah, go and go give. Guys, look on them sauce and them chicken sauce that, you know. And you saw them dig the chicken in the sauce. Look there. See my one, yeah. I don't chat me, man. See my friend, yeah, I like him, I see. I like him and a good youth. But you have one next one. Guys, they have one next one. Me ignorant fee. Me want too much. No, me don't want the pepper, just ketchup. Me say me go like him shit can make patty. See him there over there, so watch him. Eh? See there guys, see me do some, buy cram water. See there? The grape too, the grape nice. I'ma buy that.
One more paper for me.
Those slices, man.
See my one you read my bread back, and the door ramp with me.
Bread back, me not eat a bread back.
No, that one there. This is the bread back.
You like bread back?
I love bread back. Because him feet a while ago.
I like.
Big up yourself, you have a friend every time. Are you name your name or your name? Yeah. Yes, guys, see the spot there, right there, so. See it there? You know what, guys? I'm going to buy back one more tropical juice. I'm going to buy back one more clam water. And I'm going to buy back some. Not buy back, I'm going to buy some. Festival. I'm going to buy a festival. More than a little bit like a walk. Eh?